It's Abby, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to do my no-buy update for the month of May and June. So I did my empties for May and June too because I just didn't, like the past month and a couple weeks, I have not been right. So I needed some time off and I don't want to overdo it right now. I'm just like, today I'm just starting to feel better. So anyways, so for May and June, I did not buy any like color cosmetic type of things, which was the goal. So thumbs up to me for that. And the only thing that I bought a few things of sunscreen, which I needed because I got passes to the theme park and I need some sunscreen. And I got a clear SPF lip balm because only ones that I had were like tinted, and these ones that I got from Pacifica before that were tinted are like just dried out. I don't know what the deal was and I can't use them, so I'm gonna have to put them in next month's destashes, empties, whatever, because they don't really work. So I needed a clear one with SPF and I got one. So yeah, that's about, I'm trying to think of what else I got. I did get a new moisturizer a couple days ago because I'm running out of mine, and I also got a new one of the stress rehab masks from Pacifica because that was really good and they had 10% off at Target. So but yeah, that was about it that I bought, like as far as makeup, beauty stuff. Oh, I did get, this doesn't really count though because this would be in the same category as like toothpaste, but I got a sampler pack from Kaya Naturals, who does the Takasumi Detox deodorant. And like I mentioned in my empties, I had trouble with deodorant before. There was only one that I could use, and that was the Crystal Roll-On deodorant, like that's in the clear bottle with the big roll-on thing. That's the only one that didn't like completely destroy my armpits. So the Takasumi Detox is working so far. I've been using it for about a month and it works really great. It's just really expensive, so I don't go through that much deodorant anyways though. Like when I used to use just your standard regular deodorant that you get at the drugstore, I would go through a tube like every 6 months. So I didn't use that much, but the Takasumi Detox is like $20 some for a full size. But if it works, I'm willing to pay that because everything else has caused me like literal pain. So yeah, I got the sampler of their new scents. They had like three new scents for like seasonal or whatever. So I really like all of them. I'll link them below if I remember to. I wanted to try some of the regular ones, but they didn't have a sampler pack of the regular ones. So yeah. Hopefully I get one in a Petit Four box. But like I said in that video, I may cancel it after next month. I'm not sure. Just because I'm getting stuff now that I wouldn't use, and I said that once I start getting a bunch of stuff that I'm not going to use and it keeps piling up, that I'm going to cancel it. And today is the first time that I wore makeup in a long time, so I kind of went a little bit easy with it. I just did like a wash of a bronzy color on my lids and Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin, which is becoming my go-to nude after not really wanting to use Kat Von D because Bow and Arrow was my go-to. But I'm going to use the Kat Von D stuff off camera and try to use it up just so I don't waste it because it's expensive. But yeah, so I had a not so good couple months. My savings for like my goal was to save, like not spend money on makeup and then save for an apartment. That kind of went downhill, so I'm pretty much back to square one with that. I don't want to get into it. So I mean, I still have some. I didn't like completely deplete it, but it's definitely not where it should be. So that's about it for this update. Let me know what you think. If you want to see anything else in these updates, if you think anything else will be helpful. If you want to see any like budgeting type of things, I definitely need to get a stronger hold on that and focus on it a little bit more. So if you want to see any of that, let me know. I like seeing that on other people's channels, like budgeting and saving and all that. Like I love that I watched this girl called Ashley Elizabeth. She did a like saving X amount of dollars in a certain amount of time, and then there's a channel I watched called Holly and Huckleberry. She saved a bunch of money and went on a road trip around the US and Canada. So that was really interesting to watch, and I would like to do something like that in the future. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if that was helpful. Sorry, like I've had a lot of caffeine today, but my brain is not letting it like come out. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.